Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another read. Cancer, this read will be for your money, abundance, prosperity for the month of September. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you and what guidance we can get. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. So please be mindful of that. Take what works for you, leave the rest. Let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of September, for their money, prosperity and abundance. Thank you. So let's begin, Cancer. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's see what's coming up for September. All right. Okay. So Cancer, bottom of my deck, I see the Knight of Cups. Something new starting, because I see a Fool card here as well. I'm going to take one advice card, Cancer, from the top of the deck now, after cutting it. And here it is. So there is an offer coming which is going to make, it's going to be like a new start. Maybe there are things which are conflicted, or there's some trouble. Things are not, there seems to be a bit of conflict, because earlier in the pre-shuffle also I saw the Five of Wands. So that's again too many people in the mix, some conflict going on, not feeling that there's balance, justice, but then boom, here comes the Fool card, which suggests a new offer and a new beginning. Let's see what this is. Before I start clarifying the cards, Cancer, though, I'm going to take, of course, a Ganesha Oracle card. Lord Ganesha being the bringer of wealth and prosperity, abundance. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for my Cancer gang. Lord Ganesha. Okay. Get the card of promise of the future. Like I said, whatever is happening here, don't pay too much attention, because there is a bright, beautiful future coming for you. This is going to be a new beginning. And in fact, it's stuck to another card. Let's see which one this is. It says belonging. Somewhere where you'll feel, yes, now I've reached where I always wanted to. Maybe the place where you were working earlier, or your business, you never felt kind of, it was really what was giving you satisfaction. But there is a promise of the future, Cancer. There is a new beginning, I think, coming in September. A brand new offer. Okay? Let's see what all this is about and what is this promise of the future. Six of Swords, Spirit, for Cancer. Oops. Six of Swords for Cancer. There's a transformation coming. If you've been conflicted in any area of your life pertaining to your abundance or prosperity or money, I think that's going to be a thing of the past. There's a huge, huge transformation coming. And what comes after death, Cancer? Rebirth, a brand new beginning. That's exactly what I'm seeing here. So what's this transformation all about, Spirit? What's this Death card? What's this Death card and the Six of Swords? An end to feeling that you were maybe unappreciated, or maybe the past offers were not working out, people were not conducive. All that thing is going to be a thing of the past. Maybe you have to cut yourself free from something which was very restrictive. Hierophant in reverse. Like Hierophant upright is a card of something being structured. It's like rules, regulations. I think it's maybe you're not happy with the way things are. You feel confined. You feel restricted in some manner. I think it'll be a month where you're going to finally let go of all that and maybe launch off in a new direction. Let's see what this Fool card is. What's the Fool card for Cancer, Spirit? Fool card for Cancer. Ooh, beautiful. Something that's going to make your heart sing. Maybe this could be a new partnership. Maybe this is something that will actually talk to your soul. This is something which is going to make you very, very happy. Put you straight into self-love, self-care, a brand new beginning. My God, this is going to be a beautiful transition for you. Let's see what Spirit's advice is to you. Ten of Wands in reverse. Isn't that beautiful? Cancer, you'll be able to drop all those burdens. And you heard the firecrackers in the background, right? So this is going to be a time when you finally go, whoosh, I let go of all the past baggage. I'm not carrying anybody else's load. I'm not going to be in any place which is going to keep me restricted or confined. I'm taking a brand new journey. This is again new. Maybe a new offer comes your way which will propel you into this brand new journey. So Spirit, this Ten of Wands in reverse, can you give us something for this, please? Ten of Wands in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse. It's going to take you back into a place of innocence. You see, you have been, I think you yourself have done this, I think. You have thought long and hard, or maybe right now you're thinking long and hard as to what you have to release which has become toxic in your life. Something which is just not serving you anymore. With your own wisdom, you're going to go back into, this is like an old man going back to that childlike state of innocence, going back to feeling happy, going back to feeling excited about whatever work you're doing, releasing any toxic people, places, things, jobs, I don't know what. Both these things will be released. And this is a wisdom that your inner self knows. If you tap deep into your heart, you already know what has to go and what you should accept. There is something which is going to put you right back into this childlike state of having fun and enjoying. No more restrictions. Look at this person tied in knots, blindfolded, strapped, bound, chained, roped, everything. But this came out in reverse as well. Children can't sit in one place for too long, can they, Cancer? So I think that sense of freedom, joy to follow your passions is going to be a big thing in September. Let's see what this is. The overall energy was the Knight of Cups. What was this, Spirit? What's this offer? What's this new thing? What's this Knight of Cups? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so Cancer, I got a bit afraid when I saw the first three cards and then it kind of really popped. So Cancer, I think this old way of doing things is something you don't love anymore. I think you finally, with your hermit mode or your own inner knowledge, I think you can finally tell yourself, be honest with yourself about what you don't want in your life anymore. It's not making you very happy. It doesn't make your heart sing. It's not your wish fulfillment. I think you're going to go off for a fresh new beginning, or there's a fresh new offer which is going to come your way. It's going to be a rebirth time for you. It's going to feel like a brand new life. Whatever this old cup was, which is no longer feeling like happiness to you, which is no longer seeming like wish fulfillment, these are all in reverse. What's coming to you is a brand new life and a brand new offer. This is going to make you really happy. And Lord Ganesha has already given you the promise, right? Promise of the future. To a place where you'll feel, now I belong. Now I belong. So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.